Gina here, and today I'm going to talk about ConvertKit for beginners and how you can build your email list without a website. So here I'm going to my affiliate link, techdoneforyou.com/ConvertKit. And ConvertKit is an email marketing system. So they have a free plan that's up to 300 subscribers, but what I like about it is they don't count duplicates the way MailChimp or maybe Aweber does. And so if you have more than one free gift and you have the same person opt in for more than one free gift, you don't get counted twice for that person. So let me log into my free account. And the free account gives you quite a few features. And so let's go ahead and get started. If you don't have a website that's live right now, that's totally fine. You can start building your email list beforehand. So with your free account, you have subscribers and you have landing pages and forms. And so let's just go to subscribers, and there's a few ways to add subscribers. So this is my demo account, so I don't have very many in here, but you'll have some stats and your click rates as far as the broadcasts that you send and how many people click on them. You can look at your total subscribers and also anyone who's unsubscribed. So if you want to take off anybody who's unsubscribed from your list, then you can just delete them. So let's go to Grow, and we're going to go to landing pages and forms. So regardless of what kind of email marketing system you're using, if you're getting started for the first time or if you're importing subscribers, you can use a landing page or form. And so I have some landing pages already in here, but let's start with something brand new. So let's go to Create New, and let's go to the landing page option. So if you don't have a website yet, you would want to go to a landing page because that gives you a little bit more design than a form would. So let's go to landing page, and this gives you some really beautiful designs. And so you can sort these by category, and all of these are customizable, so you don't have to necessarily have the subject here in order to use one of these designs. And I like to have ones that have the opt-in fairly high on the page, so that's what I'm looking for when I'm choosing a design. So let's just look through. I'm just scrolling through. Kind of like this one. So let's click on this. You can go to Choose. And from here, you can start customizing. So this is the headline. Here's some text that you can put in, and you have by default the email address. Now I'd like to also collect the first name. So in that case, I'll go to the plus, and you'll need a custom field. So you can do a tag or a custom field, but I'm going to use a custom field, and I'm going to select first name. Now if first name isn't already a custom field, you can add one. So there's some documentation right here, and you can review it if you're not sure how to add a custom field. So I'll make it required, and I like to move it up. So first name and then email address. And let's just say this is a checklist. I'm just making this up, but we can customize it later. So we're just going to say free guide to selling online. And so let's do a headline. Let's say WooCommerce. So I like WordPress, and so I'm just going to say WooCommerce. Discover how you can easily start selling your online products and services on your WordPress website. So even if you don't have your site live, you can create any kind of opt-in here. So subscribe, you may not want to say just subscribe, so you can, yes, send me the guide. So you can customize what the headline is, and you can also change the background color. So if I want maybe a blue, I can choose blue. So here I'm going to need a picture. So I can choose something that's already uploaded, or I can go to one of these integrations, and I haven't necessarily searched Unsplash directly from ConvertKit, because I usually just go to unsplash.com and search by keyword. So let's just say business owners, and you can find an image. So let's go back here and let's search for, let's just say selling, and I'm just going to look through these images. And these are mostly free images. However, sometimes you'll see iStock or others that they will bring up in the search as well. So let's just go through. And you can try different keywords if you don't like these images. So let's just choose this one. And this one also needs to be customized, so let's replace it. And I guess you could search Instagram as well. And so without a keyword, it will just give you sort of generic images. Let's just choose that one. Okay, and you probably don't want blocks right there, so let's customize that or replace it. So let's go back to Unsplash. Let's just use this one. And you can swap out any of these at any time. So let's go to preview. And so I can already see that maybe these images are a little bit too busy, so I might swap them out later. And when you have the free version of ConvertKit, you'll have this branding here, but if you upgrade, you can remove that. So let's go to exit the preview, and I'm going to go to settings. Now you can do a confirmation message, and I'd recommend using this if you don't have a website. If you do have a website, you could redirect to a thank you page on your website, but I'm just going to use this for now. Domain name unless you have a custom domain name, I would leave this blank, but you can get just this generic one that ConvertKit gives you. And so you could add a / if you wanted to, but you can customize this more if you'd like to. Now, incentive, if you want to have the double opt-in turned on, meaning the person who's signing up for this free gift from you will confirm again in their email that they want to be on their list, then you'll have this turned on, or you could auto confirm. And they don't necessarily recommend this, but if you're fairly sure that the person does want to be on your list, then you can turn that off. So I like to turn it off. It's up to you what you'd like to do. Advanced, you can, if somebody opts in twice, you can decide what you'd like to happen. So people who already subscribed, you could have them get some custom content, which is kind of nice. I'll set your, we'll just say, please check your inbox. And then SEO and analysis, if you don't have a website, you'd probably want to fill this in so that search engines can help others find your landing page. So, free guide to selling online from how to sell online from your own website. And you may want to customize this even more. So it's up to you if you'd like to go further here, but I'm just going to save. And what's nice is that you can just publish this immediately. So let's go ahead and publish it. We're going to go to save and then publish. And then you can go to this link, and even if you don't have a website where you can embed this, this is now published. So you can put this into your browser, and here's your page. And you will want to go ahead and integrate a little bit more, because if you are delivering a guide, you'll want to make sure that on the thank you page they get the guide. So you could go back to settings, and that would be over here. So you could redirect to an external page, and maybe you could have your guide in Google Drive or Dropbox or something like that, and so you could just link directly to it here. So that's how you can start building your list with ConvertKit for free. If you enjoyed this demo, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. Have a great day.